Our program's accelerated, it's affordable, and it helps you have as many options as possible in order to be successful in your future.
Not only is it a faster program, but it's one that's well equipped and prepares every single student for entering the workforce immediately upon graduation.
Our Masters of Science in Exercise Science is a one-year accelerated program designed to get students who are looking to expand on their undergraduates and go out and start working.
They like to do hands-on type of activities for us to learn and actually use them in the real world, in the real life setting.
For our students, we require them to have at least 450 hours of hands-on practical experience in a variety of areas across the year, where they are out working with the business, gaining this experience from industry leaders.
So rather than all of your credit hours consisting in the classroom, it's actually encouraging you and kind of forcing you to get your feet wet and go out into the world and get that experience and also build your resume.
I think one of the things that makes our program a little bit unique is the sense that we're in Indianapolis, which Indianapolis in itself has a lot of really great external partners that we work with. And a lot of these external partners will then see how skillful our students are and then eventually hire them after graduation.
I highly recommend joining the Masters of Exercise Science program. You're getting a higher quality education in a shorter amount of time, more professional experience, more networking, and then you're well equipped for any field that you're interested in going in.